Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to use Claude AI. Claude is a powerful conversational AI tool similar to ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity. To access the full suite of features, you first need to sign in. The main interface centers around the prompt box, where you can type any request or question you have. The interaction and responses. We have the immediate feedback, like whether it's a simple grading or a complex query, Cloud provides instant responses. The multilingual support, because the AI automatically detects and adapts to the language you use, and the real-time data. You can ask for specific information, such as tell me the weather in Oregon, and Cloud will provide a detailed 5-day forecast, including temperatures and precipitation levels. Advanced tools and connectors. By clicking the plus icon, you unlock several advanced capabilities, like the files and media. You can upload documents, photos, or even take live screenshots for the AI to analyze. The GitHub integration, you have the directly connect to your repositories to work on code. The project management, to organize your chats into specific projects to keep your workflow streamlined. And the third-party connectors, because Cloud seamlessly integrates with tools like Google Drive, Gmail, Canva, Spotify, and Figma to help manage your data. You can tailor Cloud's personalities and processing power using the settings at the bottom of the screens. Choose between concise for short answers, explanatory for step-by-step guides, and formal for professional tasks. You have model selection section where you can select your model you want to work in. And the accessibility and navigation. You have the voice mode. Instead of typing, you can use the microphone icon to speak your prompts directly to Claude. And the navigation menu. The sidebar gives you quick access to your history, the coding environment, and the design lab for UI prototyping. This has been a brief overview of Claude AI's 2026 features. It has involved into a versatile assistant capable of everything from simple chat to professional design and data management. And that's for today.